Hey guys, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing great. Well, this is a really great deal to get each of these items for 73 cents each, and this is an online only deal. And this deal comes courtesy of Clipcat here on YouTube and over on Instagram, a fabulous Walgreens shopper. And she just kind of put this together, and I'm like, you know what, that makes sense. I will let you guys know that a lot of the bar soap has been cleared online, but you can check on Friday and Saturday if it might restock. They have various warehouses, and depending where you're living in the US, it might get restocked. So keep checking if you really want to do this deal because it might reappear, which is goofy to say. Even like Saturday night, I would check. It might restock. So for this specific deal, you need this, which is the 6 off of 12. A lot of us have a lot of war stories on how this guy wasn't working whatsoever, but online it seems to work flawlessly. So you're going to need to have this guy clipped. This is of a one-time use as well as all digital coupons. We're also going to need this 2 off of 2, and if you look at the bottom of the screen, the bar soap is in fact attaching to it. So this is the coupon that you need. And we're also going to be grabbing this one. This is in stock right now, but I know that when this video gets put out there, a couple hundred shoppers will go and do the deal right away. But this one is in stock. This is the only one that I could find online is this strawberry one. Put 2 of these into your cart. And then you're also going to put 1 of these in your cart. And you might ask, well, why? You just need the bar soap. You're overbuying. No, because that 2 off of 2 will reduce you down to less than 12. So that 6 off of 12 will not work. So hopefully you could follow what I'm saying. And this is just a really cheap item. Alternatively, if you don't want this, if you want to grab some, a bag of nice nuts for 99 cents, you can do that as well, or something really inexpensive. Okay, so now in our basket we have 2 of the bar soaps, the 6 counts, and then 1 Nivea cream. And you're going to have to grab the strawberry one. I did this yesterday evening, so that's why it's a different bar soap that was in stock. Again, the stuff is fluctuating in and out. If you're an avid Walgreens.com shopper, you're going to know exactly what I'm talking about. So this is what you're going to need in your basket. And I would do this sooner than later. If you're going to plan on doing this tonight, it might not be in stock at all, guys. So these 3 items in your basket, and as you could see, we have our 2 off of 2 for the Olay along with the 6 off of 12 that are working in concert and in harmony. So both of those come off automatically. So that's $8 off right there. So you can see that this is some very significant savings right here. So looking at our basket again, as you can see, the subtotal is $14.67, subtracting the 6. See that $5.99? Do not have it shipped to your house. Have it shipped to the store so you can pick it up for free. So you will have to check that off. And we have our $2 of manufacturers. And as you can see at the bottom, it says 11,400 points earned. Now, I obviously am getting my 5,000 points for buying 2 of those Olay bar soaps. That is online only. Plus, I also hit Beauty Club, but I'm going to opt to use points here because I don't want to pay a big balance out of pocket. So at checkout, when you can enter your credit card information, above that, it says, would you like to add $5 of points? And you will opt to go for the full $5. So if you can't figure that out, maybe there's somebody in your household who can point it out, but it's right on top of where the payment page is, above where your credit card is where your points are. So looking at the math again, now that I've added $5 of points, I have my $6 of promotion, my free shipping, I will pick this up at the store, my tax, my $2 manufacturer coupons, and then I redeemed 5,000 points, so $5 is off. So I'm paying $2.19 for this. This includes the tax. And if you look at the very, very bottom, it says that I'm going to get 6,400 points. Now, it's my birthday month, so I get an extra dollar of points, but it should be like in the 5,000 neighborhood for you. And because the Olay deal is when you buy 2, you get 5,000 points. It has the word buy in there. You can use points to earn points. So hopefully that is clear as mud. I would do this sooner than later, and if you might be left out where it's no longer in stock online, check either Saturday afternoon, Friday night. It might get restocked, some of them. And your points will not appear in your account until after the items are shipped, so that usually takes within 24 hours, just to note that. Now, in case you might have missed it, a little in-store deal on the Swanson's broth. It's 59 cents this week over at Walgreens. Grabbing 2 of them, it's $1.18. There's $1 back when you buy 2 on IBOTTA, making it 18 cents for the 2 or 9 cents per can. Awesome. And a lot of you are having a rebate, which is 50 cents back when you buy 5. So I would grab 5 cans of broth and just like pay for it, send that receipt off to IBOTTA, and go to your car and like laugh all the way to your car, because that's a superb deal. Unfortunately, I only got the $1 back when you buy 2, but I know a lot of you are getting the 50 cent off each can that you can do up to 5 times. Also, a fantastic deal is with the Scott's toilet paper. $5, $1.25 IVC found in the October Big Book, dropping it down to $3.75. IBOTTA is giving back a quarter back. So the final price point here is $3.50 for a 12-pack. So this is a really great deal. It's a meat and potatoes thing for your home. And just do it if you can, especially if there's a second wave of a lockdown. You're going to want to have a lot of toilet paper in home, especially if you're stuck at home for a bit. And I know all of us are probably thinking about that. As always, thanks for watching. Talk to you in the next one. Bye, guys.